How to change your name on ESPN Fantasy. Hey fantasy players, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your team name on ESPN Fantasy. Whether you want to rebrand your team or just get creative, it's super easy to do, so follow me. First, go ahead and open up the ESPN Fantasy app on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, select the sport you're playing, like football or basketball, and then choose the league where you want to change your team name. Now, tap on your team name to open up your team page. In the top corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon, so tap on that to go into your team settings. Scroll down until you see the option that says Team Name. Tap on it, and a text box will appear where you can type in your new team name. Make sure it's something you like, as this is what other league members will see. Once you've entered your new team name, tap on Save or Done to apply the changes. And that's it. Your team name has been updated. Now you're ready to compete with a fresh new identity. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.